this is what I'm ready for. I'm going to use this roller now. And I'm going to end up using a 9-inch roller frame, is what that's called. And I've got an old roller cover here, and this was probably a 3/8 snap, and it's kind of mashed down, and I'm going to try that first. And if that ends up not working, and I think it will once it gets saturated in there and stuff, it's a pretty smooth floor, so I think this is going to work fine. If it doesn't, I got a 9-inch, and this, it says better, and it's for smooth surfaces, 1/4 inch. This is high density knit. And they have these all in different sizes, but I read on the directions it said use 1/4 inch nap. So see, 1/4 inch nap, smooth surfaces. This is a better. They had a cheaper one than this even. High density knit. And if you use one of these, by the way, after you pull this plastic off, and I may not end up using this, you can take some masking tape and kind of run it on there and try to get some of the lint off, because the cheaper roller covers have lots of lint on there. Try to get some of that off first. Okay, but hopefully I'm not even going to use that. If not, I just saved myself another $3.50, and I saved myself $5 on the paint roller, and I can do that, okay? I just push that on, and do not try to do this by hand or anything. I've got a broom here, and I already checked this. Always make sure, here's a tip for you, always make sure that these threads will fit in here, because some broom handles nowadays, believe it or not, the threads are bigger and they won't fit in a paint frame. Okay, this one, I checked it already and it does. And this is how I'm going to install my sealer on the floor, just like that. Dip and go, and I can go right through here. Got my nice little paint tray. That cost me $1, so when I get done with this, I can throw it away, or I can use it for other things later on, and then I don't have to grubby up my little metal cover, or if you have a plastic holder like that, you just put it in something like that. Okay? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start in the hallway closet, and I'm going to do that first. Then I'm going to get back into this room and show you how it's done. I'm not going to show you in the hallway closet because it's kind of confined. You're not going to see much in there. It's not going to take me long before I get back into here and show you a few tips. Stick with me.